Hello children, today I am going to read this portion of the first lesson. You should read along with me. Children, reading is very important homework. Therefore, hello children, I am Niharika Patel. Today I am going to read this portion of the first lesson. You should read along with me. Children, reading is very important homework. You should learn how to read each and every word correctly, and therefore you will have to practice. So this is your reading class. Let's us start. सर्वे ऑफ क्रॉप्स. सर्वे ऑफ क्रॉप्स. क्रॉप्स को हम हिंदी में फसल कहते हैं. गेहूं, धान, बाजरा, मक्का, कपास ये आदि क्रॉप्स में आते हैं. टेबल 2. फाइंड आउट द डिफरेंट क्रॉप्स ग्रोन इन योर एरिया. व्हेन इज इट सोन एंड रिप्ड और कट. नेम ऑफ द क्रॉप. फसल का नाम. टाइम ऑफ सोइंग. कब इसे उगाया जाता है. टाइम ऑफ रिपिंग. कब इसे काटा जाता है. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द सर्वे कंडक्टेड answer the following questions. Name the crops shown during monsoon. How are seeds, leaves, etc. obtained from these crops and how are they useful? Name the crops sown after the monsoon. Survey on pedal strain. Survey on pedal strain. Pedal strain means पैदल चलने वाली. One day at a city crossing, Ramu and Iqbal counted the number of pedal strain. The survey was carried out from 4 to 5 in the evening. The number of pedestrians counted is given below. Counting was done like these. They would put a single vertical line or this sign for one pedestrian passing by. For 4 they put 4 vertical line. For the 5th pedestrian they drew a, यहाँ वर्टिकल लिखा है, इसे कट करके यहाँ डायगोनल लिखना है. लाइन अक्रॉस इट. इस लाइन को हम डायगोनल लाइन कहेंगे. सच साइंस आर कॉल्ड टैलीज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फॉर 13 pedestrians the tally sign would be. for 13 tally sign क्या हो जाएगा. 5 and 5 10, 11 12 and 13. Okay. Table 3. Area, woman, man and total. From clock tower crossing to victory pillar, 63 women, 135 men, 198 total. From clock tower crossing to Moti garden crossing, 52 women, 203 men, 255 total. From clock tower crossing to railway station, 9 women, 196 men, 205 total. From clock tower crossing to Telibandha crossing, 60 women, 227 men and 287 total. From clock tower crossing to Gol Bazaar, 120 women, 254 men and 374 total. Okay. Looking at the table, tell which area has the least number of pedal strings. What could have been the reasons? Discuss. Which area has the highest number of pedal strings? In which area did you find maximum number of female pedal strings? What facilities should be provided to pedestrians on a crowded road so that they can walk safely? Give suggestions. Survey regarding pedestrians with the help of your teacher. Representation of the data through sketches. During your survey, you have seen that you have collected many data related to the survey, which you have shown in table 3. This data can also be represented through sketches. Here we will deal with bar diagrams and pie chart. Bar chart. This is made on a graph paper. Look at the picture given below. यहाँ जो है आपका ग्राफ पेपर बना हुआ है, ठीक है? इसे हम ग्राफ पेपर में कहते हैं. You see, it is made on a graph paper. It has two axes. The x-axis line is horizontal and the y-axis line which is vertical. X-axis is always greater than y-axis. Their ratio can be 4:3, 5:4 or 6:4. We find standing bars of y-axis on x-axis. All these bars have the same width and are at equal distance on the x-axis. To indicate data through bar diagram or bar chart, we must determine the size value. Here one example of data is shown through bar chart. Example: students of class 5th have been given prizes in different categories, which is shown below. Serial number, prizes for number of students who received the prizes. Discipline, first is discipline, 40 students. Second is sports, 30 students. Third, debate, 10 students. Fourth, culture program, 15 students. Scout and guide, 5 students. In the figure, the prizes are represented on x-axis and the number of students receiving the prize is on y-axis. The size is determined as 2 boxes is equal to 1 student. This is graph paper. Okay children, I explain this graph paper later. इसे मैं बाद में explain करूँगी. Pie chart. Pie chart is another form of representing data. When the data is given in percentage, we can easily represent it through pie chart. There are 360 degrees in a circle. Here 3600 is taken as equal to 100%. To make a pie chart, the value of percentage is to be changed into degrees. Come, we will understand this with an example. The result of primary education certificate examination is as follows. Serial number, class or grade, percentage of students passed. First is first class A grade 20%, second class B grade 50%, third class C grade 30%. At first, we will change the percentage of the students passed into degrees. Formula for changing the value of percentage is 360 upon 100 multiplied by percentage. ओके तो ये आपको ये करना है, इसे मैं बाद में एक्सप्लेन करूंगी, ठीक है। After changing the percentage to degrees, we draw a circle according to the available space. We draw a circle which is clear on the given space and looks good. Now we draw lines measuring the degrees as per the values calculated. ओके अब यहाँ आपका एक और क्वेश्चन है. रिप्रेजेंट द डेटा गिवन बिलो इन अ पाई चार्ट. स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 5th टुक पार्ट इन द फॉलोइंग गेम्स. इसे भी हमें पाई चार्ट में दिखाना है, ठीक है, ड्रॉ करना है, तो ये हम बाद में करेंगे. ओके, thank you children. I hope you will obey my instruction and read the lesson as many times as possible. This is your homework. Thank you. Goodbye.